Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by duplicating the image layer so you can always revert. Use the lasso or marquee to roughly select the object. You want margins for blending. Once selected, switch to the Spot Heal or Content-Aware Fill tool and apply a first-pass removal. This removes obvious pixels quickly. Make sure to toggle sample settings and brush hardness. This sets the foundation. If you see large texture gaps, switch immediately to the clone stamp to pull nearby texture into the selection for a more natural base. Next, refine edges and textures so the removal reads as original scene. You should alt-click to sample patches from multiple directions and use a soft brush at 50% 80% opacity for layered cloning. This prevents repeating patterns. Once done, switch to the healing brush to soften seams and grain. Then apply localized curves or levels on a mask to match lighting. This corrects subtle tonal mismatches. If perspective matters, transform clone patches lightly. Maintaining angle keeps the result believable. To finish, flatten only when satisfied, then add a tiny amount of global noise or film grain to unify edited zones with the rest of the image. Use selective sharpening on undisturbed areas and avoid the edited patch until last. That prevents halos. Once done, zoom out and inspect at multiple sizes and on different displays. If something looks off, try alternate clone sample points, reduce brush size, or rerun Content-Aware, fill with a slightly expanded selection. This is the single troubleshooting trick that fixes most stubborn seams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.